welcome back to our channel, and today gagawa po tayo ng cassava cake. And these are the ingredients that we need: grated cassava, coconut milk, evaporated and condensed milk, white sugar, mozzarella cheese, 3 medium eggs, all-purpose flour, and we also need melted butter. Alright, so first things first, we have to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time to make our butter for the cassava cake. First, ibuhos po natin lahat ng cassava cake into a large bowl. Mas maganda po yung pinili kong cassava ngayon because it's grated already. And sisimutin lang po natin because sayang po, maraming nagugutom ngayon. So, we need all of them in the bowl. There. And then, next is our evaporated milk. And next one is the melted butter. Sisimutin po natin ulit dahil sayang po. And now, we will crack 2 eggs. Dalawang itlog lang po muna yung ihahalo natin, and we'll save the other one for our toppings later. And be sure to use your ingredients in room temperature po, kasi pag masyadong cold, po siya maganda sa cake. Next one is mozzarella cheese. And before putting the coconut milk, we have to mix all the ingredients first para sigurado po na mix yung ingredients before putting the coconut milk. We also have to put white sugar. Kung ayaw nyo po ng sobrang tamis yung butter ninyo, pwede nyo rin pong bawasan yung 1 cup sugar. But for me, 1 cup is good. It's not too sweet and it's not too blunt. So, depende po sa inyo kung susundin nyo rin po yung recipe. And may kanya-kanya po naman po tayong taste. So, depende pa rin po. Just make sure to mix all the ingredients well and beat the eggs together with the other ingredients and mix well. Halu-haluin lang po lahat. Sinisave ko po talaga sa last yung coconut milk para ma-make sure ko po na before ko ilagay yung coconut milk, it's not too wet. The butter will not be too wet. I think everything is already mixed and we're ready to pour in the coconut milk. Just one final mix. And here we go for the last one. We'll put 1 can of coconut milk and we'll save the other one for the toppings. Simot-simot lang po ulit and paghalu-haluin na naman po ulit. Mas masarap po kung fresh yung coconut milk na gagamitin ninyo. But for me, this is the only available ingredient that I have. So, yun lang po yung kinuha ko sa market. Pero masarap rin po naman. Just make sure that everything is well mixed. Alright, and ready na po yung ating butter for the oven. So now we are ready to pour the butter into our pans. But first thing first, we have to make sure that our pans are sprayed with oil. Kung wala naman po kayong cooking spray or oil spray, pwede na po yung regular oil and just brush it into our pans. There. So yung gagawin ko po is for 2 pans. I have the small pan here and the other big pan. So, yung 3 pounds of grated cassava po is equivalent na po for 2 pans. So, marami na po yun. Kung gusto nyo rin po, pwede naman na 1 pound lang yung gamitin nyo, and then the other grated cassava, you can freeze it, put it back in the freezer. Okay, our oven is ready and it's time to put our butter into the oven. We will bake the butter for an hour, so make sure to check the time and keep an eye on it. So now, we are going to prepare our topping. Maglalagay lang po tayo ng 2 tablespoons of flour into a saucepan, pero wag po muna nating papaandarin yung stove. We have to mix our flour and the sugar before turning on the stove. The time to turn on the stove and start cooking for the topping. So first, we have to add our condensed milk into the flour and sugar mixture. Ibuhos po natin lahat, yung half can of condensed milk. Coconut milk. Mozzarella cheese, let's just make sure to mix everything well and constantly stir it to avoid burning our topping. Ayan po. So it's been 1 hour and our cassava cake is ready. Ayan, we're just gonna take it out from the oven. So this time, ika-crack na po natin yung third egg, but we are not going to use all of it. We'll just separate the egg white and the yolk at gagamitin lang po natin yung egg white. So now we are going to pour our topping on our cake. I-divide lang po natin yung topping natin para sigurado po na ma-distribute natin evenly on our small pan and on our big pan. So now we are going to garnish our cake with mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle lang po natin yung cheese sa ating 2 pans. And after the cheese, it's time to brush our cake with the egg white. Yung purpose po ng egg white natin is para po madaling mag-color yung ating top ng cassava cake natin. So it gives color to the cake while we set the cake on broil mode after. And talking of broil mode, this time we are going to set our oven into broil mode. This time, ibabalik lang po natin yung cassava cake into our oven. And kung wala naman pong broil mode yung oven ninyo, pwede nyo rin pong iset into 350 again. And then just put your pans onto the topmost layer of your oven. Ito po ay para madaling maluto yung topping natin. Finally, ito na po yung ating finished product. Yung ating cassava cake, and it really looks good. Gusto ko po yung kulay ng toppings natin, hindi po siya masyadong burn, and it's just perfect. And yung cake naman po natin, I like the texture because it's not really too wet and not too dry. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like our video for today. You can also try baking this at home and let me know kung may mga suggestions po kayo na pwede natin ma-add para maging mas masarap yung recipe natin. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit the thumbs up. Keep safe, everyone, and see you on our next video. Bye-bye!